Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your MacBook. Many users want to enjoy this popular mobile game on a larger screen. We will cover two main approaches: leveraging the power of Apple Silicon chips for direct iOS app access, and employing robust Android emulators for broader compatibility. Both methods offer a fantastic way to experience the game with improved visuals and control options, enhancing your strategic battles. For those with newer MacBook Pro models featuring Apple Silicon, playing Clash Royale is incredibly straightforward. Simply open your Mac App Store and search for the game. If available, you can download and install it directly, just like any other Mac application. This method offers superior performance, often running at 60 frames per second, and provides a truly native experience, making the most of your powerful hardware. If your MacBook Pro doesn't have an Apple Silicon chip, or if you prefer the Android version, an emulator is your best bet. Popular options like BlueStacks allow you to create a virtual Android environment. After installing the emulator, open its integrated Google Play Store, find Clash Royale, and install it. You can then customize keyboard and mouse controls for precise gameplay, offering a familiar mobile experience on your desktop. To get the most out of your Clash Royale experience on MacBook, consider a few optimizations. Adjust the in-game graphics settings to balance visual quality with smooth performance, aiming for 60 frames per second. Customize your keyboard shortcuts for quick card deployment, giving you a competitive edge. An external mouse can also significantly improve precision. Finally, always ensure a stable internet connection for seamless, lag-free online battles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.